Namaskar guys. Today we will learn in the subject Sanskrit, chapter number 2, Kulashya Achara. Kulashya Achara means family tradition. Achara means tradition. Kulaha, we can also say race. The title of the translation of the title is family tradition. Or you can also say tradition of family. Once whether we join both the words together, so it will become Kulachara. Kulah plus Achara. Kulachara. So what does Kulachara mean? Kulachara means a conduct, or we call it custom, which is followed by a family. Now let me try to understand the meaning of tradition. Tradition क्या है? जैसे आपके पिता के पिता के पिता सत्य बोलते हैं, he was used to speak the truth. As a result of this, your grandfather speaks the truth, your father speaks the truth, and you also right now speaking the truth. So to speak the truth is your family tradition. Maybe you are helping others. This is also an example of family tradition. So there are various types of family tradition, and it is our responsibility to follow the family tradition. Here the present chapter it is given in the fable literature. Fable means a short story which having a moral. And generally in the fable, the characters are birds and animals. For example, the book Panchatantra, which has been written by Vishnu Sharma. This book is completely the example of fable. And this is a well-known, very popular book, and therefore it is translated in most of the languages of the world. Similarly, Hitopadesh. Both the books are written in the Sanskrit, and the examples of fable literatures are used in this textbook. Now in the present story, using the character of bird, that is Chatak bird, the author wants to give us a moral, and the name of that bird, it is a Chatak bird. Now what is the tradition of a Chatak family? चातक पक्षी की परंपरा ये है कि चातक पक्षी हमेशा बारिश का पानी पीता है। जब भी बारिश आती है अपनी चांच वो खुली रखता है और बारिश की जो डायरेक्ट बूंद उसके चांच में गिरेगी वही पानी सब सिर्फ वो पीता है। And it is the responsibility of every child which is born in the Chatak family to follow this tradition. मगर यहाँ स्टोरी में एक ऐसी बात है कि चातक पक्षी का छोटा बच्चा एक बात बहुत प्यास सा होता है और वह अपनी मम्मी के पास जाता है और उसको बोलता है कि मुझे बहुत प्यास लगी है, अभी फिलहाल बारिश नहीं आ रही है और इसी वजह से मैं तालाब का पानी पीना चाहता हूँ। माता उसको बताती है कि बेटा ये तो हमारी परंपरा के विरुद्ध है, तुम तालाब का पानी नहीं पी सकते क्योंकि हम तो सिर्फ बारिश का ही पानी पीते हैं। तो अपनी तरस पर थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर और जब तक बारिश नहीं आती you should wait for that one. But without listening the advice of a mother, the Chatak bird exists towards he goes towards the pond to drink the water of the pond. अब जब जाता है तो रास्ते में बेचारा वो थक जाता है और किसान के घर के नजदीक वह खड़ा रहता है। तब उस किसान के घर के अंदर उसका बेटा और किसान के बीच बातचीत चलती रहती है। और जब ये बातचीत चलती है तो चातक का ये छोटा सा बच्चा ये सब सुनता है, एंड ही गेट्स द इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड डिसाइड्स टू फॉलो his family tradition. He returns back to his mother, told the whole story, what happened on the way. Ultimately, mothers become very happy. And within a short period, the cloud showers the rain. Drinking that rain, the thirst of the young Chatak is satisfied. Let's see in the textbook. एकः चातक शिशु आसीत् स एकदा तृष्या पीडितः जनन्यः समीपं व्रजति वदति च अम्ब तृषा मां पीडयति अहं जलं पातुम् इच्छामि सम्प्रति मेघजलं न मिलति अतः तडागजलम् एवं पातुम् इच्छामि। जननी वदति बालक वयं तु मेघजलम् एव पीबामः, तडागजलं न पीबामः। एषः अस्माकं कुलस्य आचारः, अतः त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न शक्नोषि इति। एकः चातकः, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, एकः चातकः शिशुः आसीत्। देयर वाज अ यंग वन ऑफ चातक. You can also say Chatak Shisu, the baby Chatak or the young Chatak. Here Asit, it is the past tense, so I am using the verb was. There was a young one of Chatak. Ekadasa, once, we can also say one day. Saha, he. Trushya pidita, trouble. Trusha, fish. One day, he is being troubled by thirst. Jananyah samipam vrajati. He goes to his mother. We can also say that samipah vrajati means to go. Samipam, near. He goes to his mother. Cha vadati. Vad, say, and says. Amba, we call it mother. Trusha mam pidayati. Mother. Trusha, fish. Pidayati, troubles. Mam, me. Fish troubles me. This sentence can also be said into the passive voice. I am troubled by the thirst. Hence here, the verb which are used using the present tense, वर्तमान काल, परस्मय पद के सारे प्रत्यय का उपयोग इस चैप्टर में किया गया है. And you know it very well which suffixes are used in the present tense परस्मय पद. They are ni vah mah, si thah tha, titah anti. So here vadati and vrajati, this is third person singular, because we have used the suffix t. The root form is vad. मूल धातु वध है, इसमें हमने वर्तमान काल का परस्मय पद का अन्य पुरुष एक वचन का प्रत्यय लगाया है, क्योंकि जो ये चातक का छोटा सा बच्चा है वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, अन्य पुरुष एक वचन। तो ये जब हम रूट फॉर्म यानी कि रूप समझाते हैं तो ऐसे समझाएंगे कि वध धातु, वर्तमान काल, परस्मय पद, अन्य पुरुष एक वचन। तो आई डू द ट्रांसलेशन अगेन। I am troubled by the trusha mam pidayati. Aham jalam patum ichhami. अहम, आई। जब भी आप ट्रांसलेशन करते हैं, पहले आप सब्जेक्ट को ले लीजिए, उसके बाद वर्ब आएगा, इच्छा, विश। आई विश पातो टू ड्रिंक, आई विश टू ड्रिंक जलम, वाटर। आई विश टू ड्रिंक वाटर। जलम के कुछ पर्यायवाची शब्द है। जलम के अन्य पर्यायवाची शब्द नीरम भी है, उसको तोयम भी बोला जाता है, सलिलम भी बोला जाता है, उदकम भी बोला जाता है और वारी भी कहा जाता है। तो उसके पर्यायवाची कुछ ऐसे है, नीरम, तोयम, सलिलम, उदकम, वारी। अहम जलम पातुम इच्छामि, आई विश टू ड्रिंक वाटर। संप्रति, नाउ, मेघ जलम, the water of the clouds, megah, it is called clouds. The other synonyms of this word megah, it is jaladah, क्योंकि बादलों के अंदर पानी भरा हुआ होता है तो उसको जलदह भी बोलते हैं। संप्रति, नाउ, मेघ जलम न मिलती, the water of the cloud is not available, मिलती। Again, अन्य पुरुष एक वचन, because the suffix ti is used. The root form is mila. Now, the water of the cloud is not available. Atah, so tadag jalam eva patum ichchami. Here, the ichchami verb it is given, and the pratyay me it is used. So we can use this pratyay with the subject aham. Aham it is not written in the sentence, but we can understand. Atah, so I ichchami, wish to drink the water of the clouds only. इस शब्द के अंदर संधि है, अगर संधि उसकी छोड़ते हैं तो ऐसी होती है, तड़ाग प्लस जलम प्लस एव। आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन, तड़ाग, तड़ागः, जलम plus eva. So I wish to drink the water of the pond only. Janani vadati, the mother says. Bala, we call it child. Vayam tu meg jalam eva pibamaha. Mother reminds her the family traditions to her young ones. And therefore, right now the young one of the Jatak is going against the family tradition. So here it is the moral duty of a mother. Once the child is going on the wrong way, so definitely mother advises her or him. So vayam tu meg jalam eva pibama. We only drink the water of the clouds. Tadag jalam na pibama. Vayam tadag jalam na pibama. We do not drink the water of the pond. Eshaha asmakam kulasya acharah. This is the tradition of our family. Eshaha, this. Kulasya acharah, the tradition of our family. Asmakam, our. So this is the tradition of our family. Atah tvam. Atah, so, tvam, you. Tadag jalam patum na saknosi. You na saknosi, cannot. Patum, drink the water of the pond. So, you cannot drink the water of the pond. In the next paragraph, he said that sorry for the interruption. Chatak Sisu Kathayati. The young one of the Chatak says, Amba, mother, Mahati me Trisha. Mahati me Trisha. Me, I am very thirsty. Trusha, Trishti, Mahati, very. Me, I am very thirsty. Adhuna. Adhuna is also the synonyms of Samprati. Samprati means Adhuna. Adhuna means now. Adhuna akase meghan na pashyami. I do not see the clouds in the sky. Now, I do not, na pashyami, do not see meghan, the clouds, akase, in the sky. कदाच मेघः वर्षिष्यति कदाच अहं जलं पातुं शक्नोषि इति न जानामि अतः तृष्या पीडितो अहं तडागजलं पातुं गच्छामि. The young ones of the Chatak who does not listen the advice of the mother, and he argues that kada megha varsishyati, kada, when, megha, the clouds will shower, cha, and when, aham megha jalam patum shaknosi, and when I can drink the water of the clouds. Iti na janami, I don't know that. He said that I don't know when the clouds will shower and when I can drink the water of the clouds. Ataha, so, Trushya pidito aham, being troubled, pidito aham, being troubled by the thirst. Tadag jalam patum gacchami, I am going, gacchami, aham gacchami, I am going to drink the water of the pot. I repeat again. So, being troubled of the thirst, I am going towards the pond to drink the water of the pot. Janani punarapi chatak sisum bodhayati. Here it is one sandhi. Punarapi. Punaha plus api. Janani punaha again bodhayati advises the young ones of the Chatak. Janani again advises the young ones of the Chatak. Bala, child. Na ayam asmakam kulachara. Ayam, this is not our family tradition. Asmakam kulachara, our family tradition. Kulachara sadev raksitavya eva. Kulachara sadev raksitavya eva. Always the family tradition should be protected. Always raksitavya, maintained, we can also say. Family tradition should be always protected. Ataha tvam tadagajalam patum na arhasi. And therefore, you cannot drink the water of the pond. Na arhasi, cannot. Patum, drink. So, you cannot drink. Tvam means you. Na arhasi, cannot. Patum, drink. So, you cannot drink the water of the pond. Trishiyaha sahanam krutva meghasya pratiksham kartum arhasi tvam. He said that you should bear with the thirst. Trishiya sahanam krutva. You should bear with the sahanam. Bear with the thirst. And wait for the cloud. Meghasya pratiksha kartu. Wait for the clouds. Next paragraph. Jananyaha kathanam asrutva. Chatak sisuhu tadag jalam patu. Tadagam gantum nirgachanti. मार्गे परिश्रान्तः सः यदा एकस्य कृषकस्य गृहस्य समीपे तिष्ठति तदा तात पुत्रयोः वार्तालापं शृणोति। जनन्याः कथनम् अश्रुत्वा, without listening, अश्रुत्वा, or we can also say that not listening. Kathanam, speech, advices. Not listening, the speech of mother, Chatak Sisu Nirgachanti, exist towards the pond to drink the water of the pond. I repeat again, not listening the speech of mother, the young ones of the Chatak exist to the pond to drink the water of the pond. Marge parishrantah sah. Marge, on the way. Parishrantah, being tired. Because this is a small baby, and when he walks a little bit on the way, physically he becomes tired. So, to take a little bit rest, he stops on the way. On the way, being tired, सः यदा एकस्य कृषकस्य गृहस्य समीपे तिष्ठति, when he stands near समीपे, near तिष्ठति, stands a farmer's house, कृषकस्य गृहस्य, एकस्य कृषकस्य गृहस्य, a farmer's house, तदा at that time तात पुत्रयोः वार्तालापं शृणोति, he listens the conversation, वार्तालाप, that is called the conversation. तात पुत्रयोः, between the father and the son. At that time he listens the conversations of the father and the son. What was the conversation between the father and the son? कृषकस्य, कृषकः वृद्धः मरणासन्नः च आसीत्, तस्य समीपे स्थितः तस्य पुत्रः तस्मै कृषकाय कथयति, तात अद्य मार्गे मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः, तस्य दर्शनात् आनन्दः जातः. Let me try to understand its translation. कृषकः वृद्धः च मरणासन्नः आसीत्. Now, what type of the farmer was? The farmer was old and he was lying on the deathbed. The farmer was old and was about to die. We can also say like that. I repeat again. The farmer was old and was about to die. तस्य समीपे स्थितः तस्य पुत्र, his son, who is standing near him, समीपे स्थितः, standing near him. तस्मै कृषकाय, he tells the farmer, कथयति, tells that farmer, तातः, father, अद्य मार्गे, today, अद्य means today, मार्गे means on the way, मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः, धनस्यूतः, a money of bag. We can also say that a money bag. Dana means money and shutah means bag. When he was returning to back his home, on the way he saw a bag of money. Today on the way I found a money bag. तस्य दर्शनात् आनन्दः जातः. Its sight delighted me. Ananda, delighted. Tasya darshanat, its sight, jata, me. Its its sight delighted me and it's naturally well. जब भी हम भी अगर रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं और 2000 की नोट हमारे सामने आ जाए तो थोड़ी सी खुशी हमको भी होती है, मगर किसी के पैसे लेना वो सही नहीं है और हमको वो लेकर उस व्यक्ति को देने की कोशिश जरूर करनी चाहिए. Here also naturally seeing the money bag, the son of a farmer, he became extremely happy. And what was the reason of his pleasure? It is said that ten madiyam daridrayam nashtam bhavishyati. My poverty will end by it. Ten madiyam daridrayam. Daridrayam means poverty. Nashtam. And my poverty will end by it. Iti vicharya, thinking so, vicharya, thinking so. Dhanashit grahanai aham hastam prasarayam. I extended my hand to take a money bag. The son of a farmer wanted to take that money, which contains that bag which contains the money. Kintu, but tadeva maya, but immediately, kintu tadeva, but immediately maya bhavadiyah upadesah smritah. I remembered your advice. Upadesha, advice. Smritah, remembered. Bhavadiyah, your advice. I remember the advice given by you. And what was the advice of a farmer to his son? He advised his son, Anyasya dhanasya grahanam asmakam kulacharah naiti. To take the other's money is not our family tradition. Anyasya dhanasya grahanam, to take the money of others is not our family tradition. This advice was given by a farmer to his son, and as soon as he extended his hand to get a money bag, at the very moment he remembered the advice which was given by his father. So he dragged his hand a little bit back. Ataha aham tam dhanashutam tatreva atyajat. And so I left the money bag there only. So I atyajat, left the money bag there only. Here it is also sandhi. Tatra plus eva. And here, friends, I do the end of the chapter. Thank you. Remaining part we see in the next video.